Hello guys, welcome to my video. My name is Imo John. I am a data analyst. In this video, I'll be calculating some questions on Python. Okay, so here's our question. It says calculate the total charge. Ask the user what country they are from and their order total. If the user is from Nigeria, ask which state. So if the order is from outside Nigeria, do not charge any taxes. And if state is Lagos, charge 0.5% general sales tax. If the state is Akwa Ibom then, or Rivers or Abuja, charge 0.13% harmonized tax. If any other states charge them 0.06% provincial sale tax plus 0.05% general sale tax, then format your message for the user to know the total order inputted earlier. Order charge if from Nigeria and the total charges. So to start solving this problem, we must first of all write a code so that the Python will, when once the user come up, it will give you a prompt to enter certain values. So let's start with country. As a country is equal to as a variable country, and then we write the code for the user to input which input which country are you shopping from? So once the customer puts in the country, and then another prompt will come up, we call it total, call the variable total orders placed. Then the total orders placed will now put in form of float, and then we input, then what will come up after the user has put in his country. The next thing that will pop up is enter total order placed in Naira. Okay, we can give an example. Example of the floats will be these floats that we included in front here. Example of a float will be 2000.00. That's the float. So that is why I had to place float here, float function, a float data type here. Okay, because the data type here that is going to be included here is going to be a float, 2000.00, or we can use 2000.45 here as an example, and then we say colon, and then so that is what will come up. Okay, so the next one that will come up after total is the state. Say input which state are you shopping from? Which state are you shopping from? So when we are done with that, we can now write our code. If country, so if the user country is Nigeria, then we go put a colon, here. So if the country, the user country is Nigeria, and we also write another if under this if block, the if the state. So if the person is from Nigeria and the state is equal to Lagos, my question here, if state is Lagos, that's 0.5% general sales tax. So we put a colon here, and then the next thing we say general sales. We say general sales tax will be equal to total order placed times 0 point. Okay, from the question it's 0.5%. So in decimal it will be 0.005. Okay, so that is it. So we've done with general sales tax. Then we now see the total. For the total charges, will be equal to this total order placed. Let's just copy it time. Total order placed plus the general sales tax. Okay, that's how to get our total charges. Okay, let's just give it space. So what look it. Okay, so that's it. And then the total charges equal to total order placed plus the general sales tax. Then we say print. So if it meets this condition that a person is from Nigeria and the state is Lagos, then he will calculate this general sales tax and total sales tax, and then we'll print out this. We'll now say print total order placed. Come here. Once you do that, we are going to call this total order placed, this variable here. And you copy it and then come over here and paste. Okay, so we see this one that we have total order placed that we have in a string form. This is what will pop up. Okay, this is a variable total order placed that you've created over here. So you're calling it over here. So the next one we're going to print is print quotation mark the general sales tax. Okay, so we say print out general sales tax is equal to, come here, general sales tax. Let's just come here and copy this variable. Then we come here, paste it. Okay, and then the next thing is print quotation mark print the total charges now. So we say total charges is equal to, and then comma, and then we come here, just copy this variable total charges, then we call it over here. Okay, so we are done with that one. So if the person from Lagos State, to show you this prompt after calculating this, and it will give you the total order place, the general loss and the total charges. So if is not the person is not from, let's say it's not from Lagos, the state is not from Lagos, we can now say under this if block, not this other one, this is under this if block you have here. You have to write it under, directly under. Without that, you have an error. So we say else, and then after having an else, we put a colon, then we enter the next line, and we start else if the state is equal to Akwa Ibom. From the question, if state is Akwa Ibom, Rivers, or Abuja, charge 0.13% harmonized tax. Okay, so if state is from Akwa Ibom, so we can now say Akwa Ibom state is equal to Akwa Ibom, or what's this? Or state is equal to Rivers. You put in string, or state is equal to Abuja. So once that we've done that, we put a colon, and then we enter the next line, and then say if state is equal to Akwa Ibom or Akwa Ibom or Rivers or Abuja, we now will calculate our harmonized tax. Harmonized tax be equal to total order place plus let's say total order place. Harmonized tax is equal to total order place times 0.13%, which is 0.0013 in decimal. Okay, we're done with that. So we now say total charges now be equal to this total order place plus the harmonized tax plus harmonized tax. Let's just copy. All right, so now we're done with that. So we now say let's print now. The print out. So if this condition is met, we say print total order place. Total, let's just copy from here. Total order place. And then we also say print harmonized tax. Print harmonized equal to, and then we come outside here, put comma, then we call this variable here, harmonized tax, copy, and we call it over here. Okay, so we're done with that. Then we also print total charges. Print total charges is equal to, we come here, then we call this variable here, total charges. Be exactly, or you have an error, same way you call it over there, you have to call it the same way here. So we are done with that. So now, if the state is acquirable or this condition will be met. Okay, so if it's not acquirable or reverse state and it's any other state, then under this if block, we introduce another one else we'll say from the question they said if any other state charge 0.06% provincial sales tax plus 0.05% general sales tax. So else provincial provincial sales tax will be equal to our total. Okay, just come here, copy total order place, and you just copy and come and paste, and then we change this decimal. Okay, from the question we had, let's see from the question we had provincial sales tax as okay 0.06. Okay, so 0.0 0.006. Okay, 0.06. So we're gonna have 0.0006. Okay, okay, we're done with that. So we enter the next one. We say the general sales. Let's start from here under the provincial. The general sales tax. General sales tax is equal to this. General sales tax will be equal to total order placed. From the question, general sales tax is 0.05. So now general sales tax will now be total. What is that? Control C. Okay, let's just copy and then we paste it here. So for general sales tax, it was 0. Going to be 0.005. That's the general tax percentage. Okay, so now we will now say that the total charges now the total charges will be equal to total order placed plus the provincial. Okay, just copy it here. Provincial sales tax pasted here plus the provincial sales tax plus the general sales tax that we have over here. Let's just copy it, then paste it over here. Okay, let's paste here. So once we are done with that, we now say if this condition is met, if this customer is not from Akwa Ibom or River State or Buja, therefore this will pop up. Okay, so we now say print provincial sales tax. Let's come back a bit. Okay, print provincial and then we'll go here and copy this variable here exactly the way it is. Replace it, call it over here. Okay, we do same. We say print We're gonna print our general sales tax now. Print general sales general sales tax. Let's just copy the variable here, and then we paste it here, and then we print our total charges now. Print total charges. Total charges is equal to. You just come here and copy this variable, and then we paste it. So we're done with that. So we now say else. So if the person is not from, all these codes, block of code we are writing here, is if and else. All of this is under this other block of code called if. If country is equal to Nigeria. So this applies to people or customers from Nigeria. Okay. So, but if they are not from Nigeria, we introduce the else code else to answer this other question. If any other say, okay, so we have just solved this other condition that they gave us. The if other state has this, we just finished doing that. So if, because there are some customers who are not from Nigeria, so once the person inputs any other country, this we are going to write a code of what is going to be displayed, okay, on the screen. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. So this code that we just wrote down is just for people, customers from Nigeria. Okay, so now we now say else. So if you are not from Nigeria, we say, okay, we say tax. We write down the variable tax is equal to, we say the tax is 0.00 for foreigners, and we say total charges will be equal to total order placed, total order placed plus the tax. So you can see the total charges for that foreigner will be equal to total order placed plus the tax. Okay, so the foreigners are not going to pay any charges. That's why you see 0.00. Okay, they are not expected to pay any charges. They only pay for the order placed. Okay, so we now say if this condition is met, then we now say print total order placed. Print, let's just come here and copy. Don't have much time. Okay. And then we come here, we just call it, we call the total order placed over here. Control C. Okay, we put comma. Please don't forget to put comma. You're gonna have some errors. Okay, so we now say print tax come here, copy the tax, exactly the way it is. You print it now. We say print total charges now. Print, print. Let's make it align. Print total is equal to, then we come outside here, put a comma, and then we call it here. Just copy and come and paste. So we are done. So let's run. You can come over here to run, or you click on Shift Enter. Okay, so what is the problem here? You have an error, unterminated string literal detection over here at line 26. Okay, let's see what's wrong with that and then fix it, the problem. Okay, we put a quotation here somewhere where we have total order placed. Even when we're trying to copy and paste, we didn't. Okay, think. Let's go again. Okay, it said invalid syntax. Okay, we did only one is equal to here. So let's go back and fix that problem. Supposed to be 2 is equal to. Okay, let's go again. Okay, now it has run. Now it's asking us, which country are you shopping from? Can you see the question? The question that we wrote down over here. Which country are you shopping from? Okay, so the user is going to input which country. So let's say we are from Nigeria. Okay, and then when you click Nigeria, it will also show you the total order placed in Naira. You remember the question we asked here? Enter total order placed in Nigeria. Okay, so let's be in that order. So let's say we ordered 3,000.00. Okay, now which state are you shopping? You see, we made a mistake. So whatever thing you write here, that will come up. Okay, which state are you shopping from? So we didn't put shopping, so that's why it didn't show shopping. Yeah, so that's how we made a mistake over there. So which state are you shopping from? Okay, we say Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom. So that's come up. Then you enter. Now look at it will give you your total order place. It's equal to 3,000, tax 0.0, and total charges. Now I'm supposed to pay 3,000. Okay. Okay. So let's go and fix our problem now. Let's fix that problem and then we run again. Which state are you shopping from? Okay. Total charges equal to. Okay. Okay. Let's fix this problem over here. Okay. Let's fix this problem. It can be on red. Okay. Let's make it let it align properly so we can have our value correct. Okay. Let's go again. Okay. So which country are you shopping from? Let's say Nigeria. Enter. Enter total order place in Naira. Okay, let me say 4,000, enter. Which state are you shopping from? Let's say Rivers. Let's use Rivers this time. Okay, so now we can now say, you can now see our total order place is 4,000. That's the 4,000 I put, that's the order place. Now the harmonized tax for Rivers was calculated and is 5.2. So the total charge is now is 4,005.2, which is a total order place 4,000 plus harmonized tax. If you look at our code here that we calculated, we say if state is equal to Rivers, okay, we told it to print out total order place, which we just included, which is 4,000 that we included. We included 4,000, okay. So the harmonized tax was total order place times this value, okay. So it's giving us this value from this code that we wrote down there here, okay. And now the total charges now is equal to, we say our total charge is equal to the total order place, which is the 4,000 place, plus the harmonized tax, the calculation that we got from here when we calculate total order place times 0.0013. So he calculated and gave us the total charges as this. Thank you. We have come to the end of this class.